Hello everyone, and today I will be showing you guys how to watch Twitch without ads for free without a VPN. Now this method was discovered accidentally while I was watching a Twitch stream using Opera GX. Now I'm not sponsored by Opera GX, but I believe this is one of the few browsers that works with this method. I have not tried any other browsers, maybe other browsers work, but this is my main browser that I use. So first things first, you want to head over to opera.com/gx/gx-browser, and this takes you to the download page. The link will be in the description below. So you hit download and you go to wherever it is on your PC. For me it's going to be the download folder. You open it and you hit accept and upgrade on the setup installer wherever it is on your PC. You hit accept. I already have Opera GX already, but yeah, the second step is we head over to Twitch. So you go to Twitch TV, twitch.tv, to go to any stream that you are not subscribed to. So for example, let's say Zen, who's playing Fortnite. Let's watch his stream. So we're on Zen's stream, and now we wait until we get an ad. Now this method only works for ads that allow you to watch the stream while the ad is playing on the side. I will show you guys what I'm talking about in a second, so I will skip forward to when we get an ad on this stream. Okay, I moved on to a different stream because the previous streamer I don't think puts much ads, but I go into Tifu's stream. Now we have an ad playing on the side. So what you do is you go to the picture-in-picture icon, you click it, and now you can drag this screen around. And what you do is you enlarge it, and boom, you can see the stream, right? But if you click this little mute icon, you can unmute the stream and watch the stream full screen while an ad is playing in the background. But the quality will be very low. But this is how you watch Twitch without ads. Well, there will be an ad playing in the background, but you could just watch the full stream, but the quality will not be that great. I will show you guys one more time because the last example had 27 seconds left on the ad, so I had to rush through it. And I accidentally left my ad blocker on, so some of you guys might be skeptical. So I turned off my ad blocker. So now let's find another stream to watch and bypass ads on. Okay, so we entered Moist Critical stream and now there's an ad playing. And let's get through this 20 seconds. We open up with the picture-in-picture and we size it up. And then we hit the unmute. And as you can tell, you can hear the stream, but you hear the ads in the background, but you can still watch the screen in full size. Now the ad is gone. You press X and boom. You just watched a stream while an ad was playing without watching the ads. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. All you have to do when the ad is done is press X and boom, you're back to 1080p or 4K, whatever resolution you watch streams on. But yeah, this is how you watch Twitch on Opera GX for free, no ads. You can just skip ads by just watching the stream. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, like, share, comment, subscribe, share it with others, and yeah, have a nice day and peace out.